Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to talk to you what can you expect after Windows 10 is coming to an end or upgrade to Windows 11. Right now, I'm currently using Windows 10, so I'm actually really curious about this one. Well, anyway, just to let you know, coming October 2025, support for Windows 10 will end on October 14, 2025. So Microsoft will no longer provide free software updates from Windows Update, technical assistance, or security fixes for Windows 10. However, your PC will still work, but we recommend moving to Windows 11. So basically, they're forcing us to move to Windows 11. And personally, I'm not really a fan of that. I don't like Windows 11 as of now. I haven't tried it though, but personally, I'm hesitant to try it. Next up, this is another way. So you can extend the security updates, or this is gonna be a paid program that provides individuals and organizations on small sizes with the option to use Windows 10 devices past the end of the support date, meaning past the October 2025. However, this is gonna be a paid version. Not quite sure how much is it. I'm still gonna look for it, but as of now, the price hasn't been rolled out just yet. Another way to work this one out is basically move over to Windows 11. So some people are hesitant to download and upgrade to Windows 11 because of the system requirements. There are a lot of things that you can do or work around that one. One of it is Rufus, but I'm gonna show you how that works on a separate video. So upon checking, Windows 11 has no feedback or bad feedback as of now for users who transferred from Windows 10 to 11. So try it out. Or you can opt to Linux. So Linux is going to be another operating system which is actually really good as well. There are going to be a bunch of distributors in Linux. One of it is Ubuntu and Linux.com. Actually, Microsoft is also a distributor of Linux, so please check it out. Or, lastly, you can upgrade your PC and Macs to Chrome OS Flex. Now, for Chrome OS Flex, it comes with Chromebooks. It's actually an operating system inside Chrome, which is actually really good, but it's a miniature size of Windows. Lastly, if you don't want to upgrade to Windows 11, you don't want to switch to Linux or Chrome OS Flex, or you don't want even to pay for the extended version, I suggest prepare yourself to not get security updates or Windows updates on here option right there. Let me just type it in. So check for updates right there will no longer work, and prepare yourself to be okay with that moving forward. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.